that's part of the balancing system. I think that's weight. And you know, I don't know, I don't want to speculate too much, but the crane is the crane is hovering with that package, and it's got some kind of a hose or something going to the tub system. And right where the hose come down is where the ballast is. If you look at number 1, you see like a lip hanging off of that section. That's weight. That's balancing weight. And according to how much weight he's lifting, that ballast is moved up and down, you know, to counterbalance. That's counterbalance. That lip is moved up and down. So that's a solid piece of steel right there. And I think what that is draining into the tub system as it's being put together is a more permanent weight. But for it to go from hose to there, I'm thinking probably it's concrete or something like that. I don't know. But at first I thought the chuck crane was gonna have to stay over that section to keep the entire mechanism from going off center, but the chuck crane moved away, and whatever connections they made in the design, it was designed to go on. And that itself is carrying a piece of weight under it. So in the design, they came up with how much weight they could put on that coupling system. So it's going to be interesting to see that weight that I'm assuming is weight that they're adding to it as we speak. Or you know what it is? The lubrication. That's what it is, lubrication. That's the lubrication for that system. I'll bet you any money. I don't know for sure, but I'm telling you, that's lubrication that they're putting in right now for for that ratchet system that goes around, for that gear, the gear that spins, the gear that allow it to rotate. And it's not you would say a sprocket. A sprocket would be a better explanation of that, a definition of what is contained inside the neck of the tub and the tower. And that's how entrances gain to the cab, through that ratchet sprocket. Yeah, you go through the sprocket and up, and then that's the area to enter the cab. So I'm betting any money that that's lubrication for that rotating section, that gear section, that sprocket section. And I wouldn't be surprised if they designed that part as a counterbalance also. Yeah, so we got the tub, the cab, and now some kind of a liquid is going in. Because if it was cement as I originally stated, it would be for balance. But that's lubrication. So they're going through the checklist right now of construction of T2, Tower Crane 2, the redundant crane system that will build one Vanderbilt for the next 2 years. As we enjoy this view of the Chrysler building, 1930 additive to the New York skyline, it's going to be blocked out somewhat, certainly from this angle, by one Vanderbilt, or I would say one Grand Vanderbilt. Vanderbilt at Grand Central. And I'm trying to hide from the sun right now.